Phil Blurton. I own No Limit RD. We build custom side-by-sides, and we also have Blurton Racing. That's our race team based out of our fabrication shop. This is a brand new car we built for Mobbin Racing for the 2019 season. It's pretty much a replica of my car that we've won the last 2 championships in. I made some small tweaks on all the little stuff I wished for my new car and built him this awesome car and building myself a replica of his new car now.
You got me down again.
We're doing a quick shakedown on the car to make sure it's ready for the Mint 400. It's probably one of our biggest races of the year. So to debut a brand new car is always a little bit nerve-wracking in a big race, but my car's proven. We built this replica of it, so I feel like the car should do amazing there. Also just get Mike comfortable in the car, get him some seat time since it is a little different platform than what he's used to racing. So hopefully he can go out there and win the race.